Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.5, question 9. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. Very easy sum. So let's try to understand. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter. Window is of 8 meter above the ground. So naturally window will be above the ground. So let's consider this is a ground. Okay. This is our ground. Okay, this is the ground. So above the ground, window is there 8 meter. So 8 meter above the ground. So let's consider this is the wall. So this is our wall. So window will be here somewhere. Okay, window will be here. So this is a ground. I'll write down here. This is ground and this will be wall. Okay, so wall is here. So window will be here somewhere, and then a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window. So window is here. A ladder will be reaching to the window. So I'll draw like ladder will be mostly it's like this. Okay, so you have seen ladder. So ladder is like this. You have to climb. So this is a window here. So ladder is here. Ladder is of how much? 10 meter. So ladder is 10 meter. And window is how much? From the wall, height is 8 meter. So this is 8 meter. So what we have to find out? We have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder. So this is the foot of the ladder. So distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. So this is the wall here. So wall base is here. The base of the wall is here. So from the foot of the ladder to the base of the wall. So this is the distance we have to find out. So let's name it. Maybe this is as A, B and C. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So this is the distance we have to find out. Now looking at this only, your answer will be ready how to do it, because naturally it will be a right angle triangle, because this is ground and this is wall will be perpendicular, wall will be straight to the ground, so it will form a 90 degree, and then this is the longest side, slope is there, so then this becomes a right angle triangle. Means what we can apply? Pythagoras theorem. So we know the hypotenuse, we know the height, we have to find the base. So let's write down Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write this is the hypotenuse, so that is AB square will be equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square is how much? 10. BC we have to find out. AC is how much? 8. So 10 square will be 100. BC we don't know. 8 square will be 8 square, 8 into 8 square, right? 64. So let's bring 64 this side and become minus. So 100 minus 64 will give us 36. So this square, if you bring it to this side, it will go to root. So now this 36, what we'll do? Those of you know the perfect square of it, you can remove. Those of you don't know, you can factorize it. Okay, 36 you can factorize with 2. 1 time 8, then 3 3s are 9. Okay, so what we will get? 2 times you have 2 into 2 times 3 equal to BC. So now here also square is there. Square goes means root will go for this. Here also square goes means root will go for this. So you have 2 into 3 BC then 6 equal to BC. So this is what we had to find out. Hence the answer is what? Hence the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall is 6 meters. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.